pan. We're going to put our coarse pumice in there. Start out with the coarse. We would have already put our chuck, L for left, with a moistened rag wheel. And I need some paper towels because once we turn it on, it will splash. Put your splash pan right here to prevent it from going every which way. It's plugged in, and we're going to start out with slow. So you want to capture any moisture that comes out from there. We do our little paste. I've already gone and put the coarse in there. I need a little bit of water. I'm going to put the whole thing. Can I get some water for Jennifer? Yeah, that's good. Okay, we create a little paste. You know, like when you used to play at the beach. That's good right there. Start out with coarse. We move on to medium. And then we're going to go to fine and then flour. So we start out with our coarsest type of pumice.
What is it we're doing today?
We're polishing an appliance that Fido chewed up on the edges because he liked the taste of it. Put your pumice onto the appliance, whether it's a partial, denture, retainer, any type of acrylic appliance. Yes, ma'am.
The question was, do we wear gloves for this?
Yes, you can, but for the demo purposes, I'm not.
Oh.
Okay. Yes, you can wear gloves. And then you would go, yes, because this would belong to a patient. Then you go ahead and always use 2 hands, polishing it up. I've already pre-marked the areas. Gather more pumice on there and put it on the rag wheel. Don't keep on there on one spot too long because it'll burn the acrylic.
Now, do we polish the teeth?
You can, but you probably would need to have that okayed by the dentist. Otherwise, you could polish all the anatomical
So normally
markings on it.
It would just be the gingiva. And then
Do you do inside?
You can, if that's an area that needs to get polished. To do the inside, you would go inwards like that with the rag wheel.
But you wouldn't want to do too much because remember, the more you do, it's thinning out.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, then you would rinse it and you'd move off to the next grade. So you can remove all your coarse with a paper towel. We don't want to clog up the drain, right? And the next one would be what? The medium.
Medium.
So again, water, please.
And can you show us what it is that you put the chuck on there? How you put the rag wheel and the chuck on? Or what it's called? Or the mallet over there to the side?
Place it on with a mallet. Some people like to just put it on there and spin it on and it'll take it. I like to go ahead and make sure that it's reinforced with the mallet. And then to remove it, you would do the opposite part. You just go ahead and remove it this way. And it will come off so that you can wash the rag wheel. So then you've removed it safely. Other people go ahead and spin it all the way to the bottom. And I don't like to do that. Like in other words, they put it on there and then they turn it on and it should take it. I'd rather just reinforce it a little bit.
Can you show us where we turn it on and the different speeds?
Yes, we have a low speed to the left and fast to the right. We'll be using slow or low for our purposes, otherwise it will wear off too much of the acrylic.
And once Miss Gonzalez will mark the area that she's scratched up, and she'll mark it with a little X, and when you come back to us, the X should be gone because you've already smoothed it with the
Some of these will have like an X and you'll be able to see through the light that it's a roughened area. This one was chewed up all along the edge, so we just did like a line. Okay, so we've got our paste here. We're continuing with the medium. If it's too thin, then you can add more. You can add more to it.
So we start with coarse, medium, fine, and then flour.
All on that one area.
Wipe it out each time when you put the new pumice.
Okay. Thank you.